Hello everybody, it's Tom and Jerry Fan64 here. It's now time to do a movie review to A Nightmare on Elm Street 2, Freddy's Revenge. This is the 1985 sequel to the 1984 movie Nightmare on Elm Street, which I reviewed like 6 or 7 months ago. So yeah, I'm finally back to watching the Nightmare on Elm Street movies. And this one is probably my least favorite of them all. I don't know if I'm gonna watch the Dream Warriors tonight, but we'll see. I probably might. I'm probably gonna review it tonight, but I'm gonna watch the rest tomorrow. This is a really underrated entry in the Nightmare on Elm Street franchise. It's definitely the scariest as of right now. As of right now, this is the scariest movie in the franchise. And I have to admit, Freddy Krueger is one of the scariest dudes ever put on the film. So yeah, this is a really underrated movie. It's not as good as the first one, but it's still a really underrated movie. So yeah, I'm going to give A Nightmare on Elm Street 2, Freddy's Revenge a 6 out of 10. It's a decent movie, but maybe it might be better on a rewatch. And I'm going to give it a D. So yeah, this is a decent sequel. It's not the greatest, but it's still a decent film. I did find the VHS of this one at a Goodwill, but I didn't get it because I didn't get it because I just didn't get it. I hope to get it sometime. Unfortunately, when I went back to Goodwill, it wasn't there. So yeah, like I said, for Nightmare on Elm Street 2, Freddy's Revenge, I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10, and I'm going to give it a D+. It's not the greatest, but it's still a decent film. So yeah, that is it for my review to Nightmare on Elm Street 2, Freddy's Revenge, in which I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you're generous enough, please consider leaving a like on this video and subscribe, plus it really helps out. And I'll see you guys all in my next movie review, which will be on A Nightmare on Elm Street 3, The Dream Warriors. So I'll see you guys then. Adios.